Hi, I'm Pam Hayes from Hayes Sewing Machine Company, and today I'm going to be opening up the Bernette b77. All right, let's open up our new sewing machine. When you open it up, it is going to have a styrofoam piece up at the top that's going to have some accessories, and we'll look at that in just a second. Push my handle in. All right, so we're just going to move that to the side. You'll notice you'll have your accessory tray. In the box, you have a soft cover, and then you have the machine itself. And there you go. All right, once you're looking at your machine on the table, you're going to take the box, and it's easiest to take it and actually push it from the front to the back. You'll notice that the styrofoam has a little lip to it. And when you take this out, this is your foot control. So when we take this out, there you go. Okay, you have your foot control. You're also going to need to take the tape off of the lid, so we're going to do that. And then you're going to see on the inside, that's where we're going to be putting our thread. You also have your pointer as well, your stylist. Now, you'll also have another bit of tape that is down in the front, and it's really important that you remember to take that piece off as well. To take the arm cover off, don't forget that you have another piece of tape, and you're going to slide it over to the left, and that will give you your free arm. And then this is where we're going to put the accessories. You'll notice this white piece will come out, and you have room for all of your nice gadgets. Alrighty, now let's take a look to see what was in that top styrofoam piece that we put aside earlier. First thing, you have your knee lever, and that's going to be used when you want to raise and lower the presser foot without using your hand. Put that aside. You are also going to have your warranty card, and you will also have a quick reference guide. When you open up the quick reference guide, it's going to show you how to rewind the bobbin, thread the machine. But if you want a full book, you want to go to the back cover, and it's going to show you the website you want to go to, and it's also going to give you a QR code as well. You are also going to have your power cord, and then you are going to also have your accessories. So when we open up this little box, we have all sorts of fun things to do. This is what you're going to have when you take out your accessories and you lay them out on the table. So let's start over here. You have a thread net, extra spool pin. This is your seam ripper as well as your lint brush. You have an oiler. You have a buttonhole foot, free motion quilting foot, blind hem, your zipper foot, your embroidery foot, overlock, as well as a button sew-on foot. You're also going to have a screwdriver. You also have a quilting guide, 3 extra bobbins, needles, and assorted thread caps. When we go to put them into the accessory box, you want to make sure and remember you can lift this piece up. First thing that I put in was my extra spool pin. You'll see how it has a groove there for it. You are also going to put your free motion foot down underneath, and then let's just put this in on the top for the moment. All of your regular presser feet are going to fit in just fine. I found the blind hem foot worked really well in that position, and your button sew on and your zipper foot work well there. Now, don't forget the buttonhole foot, and that lives underneath. And then you can put a lot of your other accessories down underneath also this white area, and then you can put it back on. And remember, if you have slightly larger things, you also have an opening in the back that you can place different accessories in there as well. All right, once you have gotten your B77 out and you have everything laid on the table, these are all your accessories.